In this session, you're going to learn about a few browser plugins that you can use that makes doing SEO a little bit easier. So one of the great features of modern browsers is the ability to add plugins. And a plugin is just a simple little program that will extend the functionality of the browser. And lucky for us, many plugins have been created for the purposes of doing SEO. So the plugins you're going to learn about today will save you a significant amount of time while doing various SEO tasks. Also, some of these plugins will give you information that you would not otherwise be able to see, giving you an advantage over your competition. So the first thing is to get Firefox. That's the browser that we're going to be using today. So if you don't already have Firefox, simply go to mozilla.org and click Firefox and download it to your computer. So once you have Firefox, I'd like to show you how to add some plugins, or in this case, they call them add-ons. So if you go up to Tools and Add-ons, it will pop open the Add-ons Manager here. And you can see all of the extensions that I already have installed. And you can also search and add new add-ons. So I already have a few SEO plugins installed, but I'm going to show you how to install a plugin in case you haven't done that before. The first thing is to search for the plugin you want. And the first one that I'm going to show you today is called Firebug. So I'm going to type in Firebug. Show you how you can use it to make SEO tasks a little bit easier. And in this case, let's say, for example, you wanted to look at any of these headlines and see if they're in an image or in an H1 tag. So the first thing that you do is up here, turn on Firebug, and it pops open the Firebug console. Then over here, there's this little thing called inspecting. You click that and you can simply hover over anything you want. And as you can see in the console, the code associated with what you're hovering over shows up. So you can come over here and pick a headline, and I can see that this headline is an image. I can keep going and into the Google search results. So as you can see here, I've searched for tea frog. I'll do green tea. And what the plugin is doing is it's adding this little piece of text down here, which includes all the information in the toolbar, but underneath each of the search results. So you can really quickly do a search for a keyword such as green tea and know what the competition looks like for that keyword. If they've got a lot of links, if they have a high page rank, etc. It's a really, really efficient way to do some real quick competitive analysis. So the next plugin that I'd like to show you is called code. It shows it right here over the image, so that's very convenient. The next thing that's really useful is the meta information, such as your meta tags, meta keywords. And if you come to information, view meta tag information, it'll pop a new tab, show you what's in the meta keywords tag and also what's in the meta description. So this is just, again, another shortcut as opposed to looking through the HTML source. You can see it just by looking at the information. This is another good thing to look at not only on your own site, but on all of your competitors' sites. If you're curious what their meta descriptions or what keywords they may or may not be targeting, you can simply open up their site, click information, view meta tag information, and take a look. So those are the SEO plugins that I'd like you to take a look at. And I'll look here in the add-ons manager again, Firebug, SEO for Firefox, the SEO toolbar, and web developer. These 4 plugins are free and they're incredibly useful. As you go through some of the other videos, you may notice that Firebug and web developer specifically are used quite a lot. So you'll definitely want to get Firefox and install these plugins.